Grand Arena is heating up with players already strategizing on how they can get a piece of that $1 million prize pool. All that and more on today's Ronin recap. Grand Arena's pack opening is live. This is super important because players can finally start strategizing their team compositions for the beginning of the season, and because growing your collection earns you MXP, which will determine your portion of the $1 million prize pool. You can purchase booster packs using your Grand Arena gems at grandarena.gg, but the best method is by opening a booster box. Booster boxes contain 30 individual packs, as well as an accessory for Axie Infinity and a guaranteed promo card. Now, it may seem intimidating seeing the sheer number of cards available for Grand Arena, so it's imperative that you understand the importance of rarity. Every card has rarity, from basic all the way up to legendary, and the greater the rarity is, the higher the point multiplier will be when it's on your team composition. But here's the kicker, your cards can actually be upgraded. By combining duplicates of that same card, you can increase its rarity to the next stage. And using rarer cards will help you maintain a strong leaderboard position. And remember that improving your collection will earn you MXP, so gain a head start by stacking cards today. If the Axie Infinity accessories are your main focus, here's what you've got to know. 1 of 5 Moku themed accessories will randomly be airdropped to you simply by opening a Grand Arena booster box. But the ultimate prize is the Rat's Fairy, and to get your hands on this, you'll need to complete a few more tasks. There are 2 phases in which this campaign will take place. The first phase ends on January 19th, and all you need to do is purchase and open a Grand Arena booster box. The second phase is between January 19th and January 26th. During the second phase, there are 2 steps. First is to purchase at least 500 gems from grandarena.gg. The second step is to complete at least 1 Axie bounty board quest per day throughout the week of phase 2. Following these steps is the only way to get yourself a raffle ticket for the Rat's Fairy accessory airdrop. Good luck to everyone. Fishing Frenzy's Triple Threat event is live with $8,000 in prizes. We are currently in week 2, but if you missed week 1, don't worry, because every week has its own individual leaderboard with prizes. Week 1 was all about catching the best fish you can. Although week 2 is an all-out grind, combining your total EXP from both fishing and cooking as seen on the Prestige leaderboard. Week 3 starts on January 22nd, and this one is all about cooking. Your score will reflect the experience earned from the top 100 cooks throughout the week. Double the score in the case of shiny recipes, although you will need 200,000 karma score in order to be eligible. The prizes for each week are as shown here, as well as additional prizes for players who competed in all 3 weeks, so happy fishing. Cyberverse is an MMORPG currently in development on the Ronin network, which has been driving a lot of hype in recent days. The game blends cyberpunk aesthetics with RuneScape-esque mechanics, and has some awesome additions like a full-blown multiplayer racing minigame. The game is free to play, with extra benefits going to NFT holders, like the ability to earn loot chests by winning various minigames. And the game is currently running a closed beta test right now, so if you want to get in on the ground floor, head to cyberversegame.io and sign up. And to keep track of all future announcements, make sure to follow their socials and check out their additional links to learn more about the game. We're starting off the new year strong, so have fun everyone, and I will see you in the next one.